Some healthy snacking options which people can have, as you know कि अभी सब घर पे हैं and everybody is on to samosa and everything and everybody अब नहीं खाने
we have been trying golgappe or dalgona coffee and other things.
Everything is being tried out right now. Even people have done jalebis also at home. तो अब कुछ बच नहीं है.
See, I have done too.
Yeah, me too. My family is like every day. आज कुछ मीठा खाने का मन कर रहा है. आज रसगुल्ला बना लो, आज जलेबी बना लो. So now we need to shift to healthy options. Like So now,
if you say because these days we are at home, we are into some kind of depression, or we are into some kind of stress, because of course we have been since at our home since a long time. So उसके लिए हमें it's natural to have sugar cravings. ठीक है, शुगर क्रेविंग सबको हो रहा है. ठीक है, मेरे सारे मोस्टली मेरे जितने भी क्लाइंट्स है, दे आर आल्सो फीलिंग दिस थिंग दैट शिवानी कुछ मीठा खाने का मन करता है. And it is happening with us as well, because we are into some kind of a stress right now. It is totally related with our stress. So for that thing, what you can do is you can make a fruit ice cream at home, which is very easy to make, which you can really make at ease of your home, in your kitchen, and which will be tasty as well. So what you have to do is you have to take any of the favorite fruit of yours. I tried it with the melon. Abhi melon ka season bhi hai. Melon is highly rich in electrolytes. It has got a lot of minerals as well. तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना, आपको मेलन को लेना है, आपको उसको थोड़ी देर फ्रीज करना है. उसके बाद आप उसको सिंपली अपने ब्लेंडर में डालिए, उसको बहुत अच्छे से क्रीमी तक ब्लेंड कर ले, और उसमें आप थोड़ा सा हनी ऐड कर दीजिए. So it will be very tasty. You freeze it for some time and have it whenever you wish to have, and it's really tasty, and you can have it as a snack as well. So it will be kind of a sorbet. Yes, exactly. So it can be, you can have it between your lunch and your dinner also, in the evening time when we crave for something really good and tasty. And now summers are also here, so we feel like having something cool, ठंडा खाने का मन करता है हम लोग को. Right. So you can have that. Fruit ice cream can be one thing. And other than that, you can have, as I said, you can have hummus with some vegetable sticks maybe. तो वो आप कर सकते हो. हमस बनाना बहुत इजी है, आप घर पे बहुत इजीली बना सकते हो. So वो आप खा सकते हो अपने वेजिटेबल्स के साथ, यानी some carrots or maybe cucumber. So it's a very good and a very healthy mid evening or mid morning snack particularly.
Yeah, in spite of mayonnaise, you can use that even on your breads. Like
correct.
Yeah, so that's also healthy.
That's also healthy, and that can be taken. Other than that, what you can do is I'll share the recipe also. Walnut and banana brownie. That is also very simple to make, and you can easily make it at your home. And that's also a very good, dessert kind of a thing which you would really love. जो आप अपने meals के बीच में खा सकते हो. When you feel like having something sweet, and you feel like कि रसगुल्ले बना लो और जलेबी बना लो आज, तो उस time पे you can make that and you can have that at that particular time.
Definitely.
Right?
Because those are the healthy options. Yeah. Correct, you can even have it. वो जो ice cream का you were telling, you can even अगर आप मतलब कि थोड़ा gym man उसमें हो, and if you are doing workouts, you can even do the same with the bananas. उसमें थोड़ा पीनट बटर डाल सकते हैं, और एवरीथिंग इज डन. मतलब कि आई मेड इट ये बनाना के साथ, सो आई एम टेलिंग बनाना, आई जस्ट फ्रोज्ड इट एंड देन उसमें थोड़ा पीनट बटर ऐड करना, एंड सम ऑफ द पीपल बनेंगे थोड़ा चॉकलेटी भी होना चाहिए. ऐसे ठीक है, न्यूटेला भी डाल दो भैया, उसको भी ब्लेंड कर दो एंड देन यू कैन फ्रीज इट. मतलब कि ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट दैट हेल्दी, बट हाँ जलेबी से बहुत हेल्दी है वो.
It has got at least nutrients. So वो जो है आप उसको खा सकते हो. अगर आपको sweet cravings हो रही हैं तो definitely you can munch on that. Other than that, you can have some chana chaat. I always say this is my favorite actually. So
mine too.
You don't have to do you don't have to do a lot of things, and you are getting a lot of protein at one time. So what could be better than this, no?
Definitely.
So आप चना चाट खा सकते हो. You can have a 3-bean salad जिसमें आप राजमा डालो, सोयाबीन डालो, and you can add even chana. So you can have that as well as a snack. इसके अलावा as I always say, fox nuts जो कि आप उसको रोस्ट कर सकते हो. फूल मखाना, right? आप उसको रोस्ट करो. They are amazing source of calcium which can be taken as as snack.
And it's good for women. मतलब उनको बहुत सारे ऐसे nutrients होते हैं that's present in fox nuts, makanas. It's very essential. Rather मैं तो ये बोलती हूँ कि at least 4-5 pieces you should eat in a day. ज़्यादा नहीं तो
definitely
you should eat it. It's really good. Calcium content उसको मतलब कि it is very much needed women's के लिए, तो we should have them regularly.
Correct. And you know, mostly the thing is that we are in a condition where we are not liking to have a lot of milk these days.
Yeah.
So we need a lot of calcium for our body, because you know, after 30s especially, our bones start degenerating. So we need to have an ample amount of calcium for that. So these can be really good sources in that case. Other than that, for snacking, you can have mixed seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, you know, sesame seeds. You can just make a mixture of all these things, and they're really crunchy and easy to go. You know, you can just roast them once, and you take it for at least 4-5 days, and you know, or even a week. So yeah, that can be taken as a snack.
That's a healthy option. That's a really healthy option. मतलब even you can add it in your ice cream या कुछ भी आप डाल रहे हो तो even you can add in that also.
Correct.
तो crunchy है. Chocolate chip डालने की बजाय वो डालना है हमें. Chocolate chip नहीं डालनी.
Right.
And
moreover, you know, they have got a lot of healthy fats, जिसकी वजह से आप काफी देर तक full भी feel करते हो.
Yes.
That's the best thing. So वो आप बिल्कुल ले सकते हो और उससे आपको बहुत जल्दी दोबारा भूख नहीं लगेगी. The another thing is nuts. जैसे कि almonds है, walnuts है, you can have that. Even kaju, cashews, I told last time also, they're so amazing.
It's good. It's good to eat kaju, but obviously excess of everything is bad. So you need to have a control on it.
Correct. So you can have 2 to 3 cashews, you can have 4 to 5 almonds and 2 pieces of walnuts. And if you feel hungry, you can have that in between. So it would be also great for you. You will not feel hungry again very soon. Yes. So yeah, these things can be taken. Other than that, very amazing thing which is called basil seed or sabza जिसको बोलते हैं. तो सब्जा या फिर even chia seeds अगर आपके पास है तो आप वो use कर सकते हो. And you know, you just soak it in water for 15-20 minutes and you have it. You will feel so full. आपका पेट एकदम भरा हुआ लगेगा. You will feel so content and आपको बहुत जल्दी भूख नहीं लगेगी फिर. You won't have any cravings further because they are very good source of this thing, fiber. They are good source of fiber, they are good source of protein and minerals as well. So yeah, that is a very, good to go for the snacks option particularly.
You can even make mojitos with that itself, na? Mojitos उसी के साथ ही you can do, तो you don't need to add excess of things which are not needed actually. Sugar syrup और ये सब डालने की need ही नहीं है, yeah. तो that only gives us so much of this कि उसी से you feel like कि नहीं, it's having something different in it. You don't need to move out and have something like कुछ fascinating खाना है, तो it's more than sufficient.
Correct. So these are the main things which you can have. Even you can have popcorns which are made at home, or even you can have papad, जो मूंग दाल का पापड़ होता है या फिर कोई भी दाल का बना हुआ पापड़ होता है. That can be also taken as a snack. You know, when you crave for having some chips or something, उस time पर आप पापड़ को roast करके you can have it. So it will give you the same crunch. You can add some lemon onto it. So that is amazing. Also,
anything can be added. It's your choice, ना मतलब. Tomatoes, onions, you can add anything. तो उसी से at least that will be healthy. You will not go to that much of
that will be healthy
quantity. Yeah. तो और मतलब कि moreover 1 या 2 pieces खाने के बाद you will be full. And packet का
beautiful,
हाँ पूरा chips का packet भी लेके बैठ जाओ. You don't feel like कि नहीं we are still full. लगता है एक packet और खोल लो आज जब घर पे ये दोबारा आ जाएंगे. That's the thing. So it's good to shift to the options which are more healthier and that won't give you much calorie count. Yeah, so वो चीज we have to consider right now. So anything else on the snacking options? Yeah, it's more than enough
for the snacks.
Yeah. And drinks का you told last time sabja वाला which you told today also कि उस water के अंदर you can just soak it for some time and then you can add lemons or you ask to add gur. So that's a good option. Right.